Apurva, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. आपको जो देखते हुए आए हैं उनको थोड़ा बताइए क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें, क्या है स्पाइस इट अप.
I love listening to people's stories. I love listening to Kaleshi stories that have a lot of spice, a lot of drama, a lot of masala, and that is sort of like what Spice It Up is. It's all your PR trained celebrities.
लोगों से आंसर्स निकलवाना इजी नहीं होता है. आपने टॉक शोज देखे, कौन आपको मॉडरेटर्स पसंद है जो किसके टॉक शोज आपने देखे हैं?
I love Karan Johar. I love everything that happens on Coffee with Karan. I want Bebo to sit on my couch and just be a diva. Like that is the goal in life.
एक पानी पूरी चैलेंज है. व्हाट इज दैट?
Spice level is directly proportional to the amount of spicy question that there is. So spicier the pani puri, spicier the question. And yeah, that's sort of the challenge, that you eat really spicy pani puris and you answer really difficult questions while your mouth is burning.
कुछ बताइए, क्या आपके लिए पर्सनली व्हाट वर यू लाइक, वाओ दिस वाज ग्रेट?
मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं लोगों की बात सुनने के केपेबल हूँ. तो मुझे इस शो में पता चला कि मैं बोलने के अलावा सुन भी सकती हूँ. तो वो मेरे लिए काफी अच्छी डिस्कवरी थी कि वाओ.
अगर एक विश लिस्ट हो कि ये 5-7 लोग मुझे चाहिए मेरे शो पे जो अभी तक नहीं आए हैं, कौन हो गया आपके विश लिस्ट में?
रणबीर कपूर. For personal reasons.
What is
I
that
love
person?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Right.
I just want to see Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
I want to know what Ranbir Kapoor smells like, feels like. I'm so sorry, Alia. but I just want Ranbir Kapoor.
Say Nusrat was your favorite episode. What kind of a discussion is this?
We're discussing everything from sex life to love life to career, money, fame, scandals, all of that.
Apurva, what next? You will be see you in movies. Then there's so much still to do.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं कोई काम ना करूँ और मेरे पास पैसा आता रहे.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है ना?
तो मैं बस अब वही फिगर कर रही हूँ कि मैं ऐसा क्या स्कैम करूँ कि मुझे पैसे के लिए काम ना करना.
बहुत अच्छा प्लान है, बहुत अच्छा प्लान है. आई होप हो जाए ये सब.
I would love to have Aryan Khan and just like discuss Bags of Bollywood with him. I love Aryan Khan because I feel like we have common interests. So Aryan Khan. And then I would love to have Honey Singh. I grew up like obsessed with Honey Singh. My phone wallpaper was Honey Singh. I really thought that I will marry Honey Singh. I used to find Honey Singh so hot. And so like just for that sole purpose, I would love to have honey sex.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Apurva and you are watching this interview on Bollywood Hungama.
Apurva, welcome to Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much for having me.
This poster behind you, ये बहुत लोगों का, सब क्रिएटर्स, सबका ड्रीम होता है कि हमारा एक शो हो.
Yeah.
You have a show with your face on it. You're doing the show. अभी लगता है कि what you set out to achieve, you are on your way there, or you've achieved everything?
I think I never really expected myself to achieve so many things. People keep telling you to manifest things and write it on a piece of paper. I don't think even in like my wildest dreams I thought of having all of this. But I'm very lucky to like work with incredible people who dream for me. जो मुझे ऐसी ऐसी जगह pitch करते हैं जहाँ मुझे नहीं लगता है कि I can never be in those rooms by myself.
Right.
So it's just, I'm very grateful.
You know, what has led to this? What all will you give credit to? Who all will you give credit to?
I think सबसे पहले तो obviously my mom. She's always just been extremely supportive of who I am. अभी भी like my mom's entire feed is just reels about me. तो अगर कोई रील पे मुझे गाली भी पड़ रही है, मेरी मम्मी ने सारी रील्स देखी है, मैंने नहीं देखी है. मेरे मम्मी पापा दोनों की पूरी feeds is just rebel kid memes, rebel kid controversy, all of this. So obviously my mom, my team at Collective obviously is like just my rock, honestly, for anything that comes to work. And God, because I don't pray every single day. And फिर मैं 3-4 महीने में एक बार मंदिर जाती हूँ और मैं ऐसे 15 चीजों की लिस्ट बना देती हूँ कि भगवान जी अभी ये सब कल तक हो जाना चाहिए.
लिस्ट.
ठीक है, तो और वो थोड़ा बहुत हो जाता है. So I'm really happy कि मैं ना व्रत रख रही हूँ, ना मैं कुछ खास like ऐसे रोज पाठ पूजा करती हूँ, बट फिर भी भगवान मेरी सुन लेता है.
तो मंदिर में 15 चीजें अगर लेके गए, कितनी हो जाती है? 7-8 हो जाती है?
सारी हो जाती है.
सारी हो जाती है,
मतलब अगर
of course.
जो नहीं हुई है मुझे पता है वो हो जाएंगी.
हो जाएगी, बिल्कुल. You know, you said कि आपके मॉम डैड की फीड खाली आपके रील्स मीम से भरी हुई है. For any parent, this is the biggest achievement. You know, back in the days it must have been very different, and today it's very different. There are a lot of youngsters who follow you, जो आपको देखते हैं और कहते हैं हमको आपके जैसा बनना है, कैसे बने, कैसे वायरल जाए. You know, this is the one thing you want to tell them, that you know, whatever happens, family is family.
Yeah, 100%. I think even like my relationship with my parents was not the best growing up. But with age you do realize कि जब कोई नहीं होगा, you only have your family. And I've had a lot of moments like that.
Yeah.
So even if you fight, even if you rebel, even if you are that teenager जिनके अपने माँ बाप से नहीं बनती, I think at one point you should just go back and talk to them. You know?
Right.
जब तुम भी बड़े हो जाते हो, you have that ease where you can talk to your parents कि I'm sorry bro, like all of this happened, now just be chill with me. And they mostly are chill with you. So yeah, I think family is extremely important.
Right. You know, Jio Hotstar पे आ रहा है Spice It Up. पहले नाम के बारे में बताइए. Who all were involved in thinking of the name?
I think the entire team at like Collective and Jio were sure that we wanted to make something very Kaleshi, tikha, something very on brand. And I think the name just came to us in the first few days only.
Right. तो आपको जो देखते आए हैं उनको थोड़ा बताइए क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें, क्या है Spice It Up?
तो I think I love telling my stories, but I also love listening to other people's stories. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है जब लोग अपनी कहानियां बताते हैं, because अब मैं 24 साल की हो गई हूँ. The people that I meet are obviously either 24 or above 24. So to know somebody, you just have their stories. I love people who tell great stories in great details कि ये हुआ फिर ये हुआ फिर ये हुआ फिर ये हुआ. It makes me feel like मैं उनके साथ वो जिंदगी अब जी ली है. It makes me feel connected. So I love listening to people's stories. I love listening to Kaleshi stories that have a lot of spice, a lot of drama, a lot of masala. And that is sort of like what Spice It Up is. It's all your PR trained celebrities letting loose a little bit.
Right.
Yeah.
तो टॉक शो होगा, गेम्स होगी, खाली कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी, ऐसा होगा जैसा हम कर रहे हैं, क्या होगा?
Yeah, there will be just like a lot of spicy food, spicy conversation,
okay.
And yeah, like a lot of unhinged answers.
Right. You know, लोगों से आंसर्स निकलवाना इजी नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
ट्रस्ट मी.
मेरे से आंसर निकालना तो कितना इजी है. आपने अभी तक जो ही पूछा है मैं तो तुरंत बता रही हूँ.
बट वो आपकी खासियत है, आपके सारे गेस्ट की शायद ये खासियत नहीं हो. तो आपने टॉक शोज देखे, कौन आपको मॉडरेटर्स पसंद है जो किसके टॉक शोज आपने देखे हैं?
I love Karan Johar.
Everybody
I love
loves Karan.
everything that happens on Coffee with
हाँ,
Karan.
हाँ,
I just like, I want Bebo to sit on my couch and just be a diva. Like, that is the
Yeah.
goal in life.
wow.
So I think nobody tops Karan, nobody tops that show. And then I just love people like abroad, like Jimmy Kimmel and all that. Yeah.
कौन होंगे? सेलिब्रिटीज होंगे शो में? आपके गेस्ट का क्या प्लान है, कुछ बताइए?
I think you'll have to wait and find
Okay.
out, but there are people that everybody knows.
Everybody, so
Yeah.
famous people.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice. तो एक पानी पूरी चैलेंज है. What is that?
So basically, we have different levels of pani puri spice levels designed,
Okay.
and the spice level is directly proportional to the amount of spicy question that there is. So spicier the pani puri, spicier the question, and yeah, that's sort of the challenge, that you eat really spicy pani puris and you answer really difficult questions while your mouth is burning.
Right. आपके जो fans followers हैं उनको ये जानना है कि will you be yourself, like or this is काफी scripted होता है? That's the always a concern कि what will it be like?
I don't know how to be any other thing except for myself. So I'm
हाँ.
always myself no matter anything that I do.
Right.
Yeah.
कुछ एपिसोड शूट हुए हैं तो कुछ बताइए, क्या आपके लिए पर्सनली what were you like, wow, this was great?
मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं लोगों की बात सुनने के केपेबल हूँ.
Okay.
तो मुझे इस शो में पता चला कि मैं
हाँ.
बोलने के अलावा सुन भी सकती हूँ.
हाँ.
तो वो मेरे लिए काफी अच्छी डिस्कवरी थी कि वाओ.
Wow, that's very interesting. Apart from पानी पूरी चैलेंज और क्या गेम होगी शो पे?
There are fun there's अगर आपका क्वेश्चन तीखा नहीं है
वो
तो
what
मतलब
do you
अगर
mean
आपका
तीखा?
आंसर तीखा
आंसर
नहीं
तीखा
है,
नहीं
अगर
है,
आपका आंसर
okay.
स्पाइसी नहीं है, अगर आपका आंसर इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है, तो there are separate days for you. So it's just a very fun show.
This is like आप जो आज तक करती थी काफी, you were yourself. कितना अगर आपको थोड़ा सा चेंज होना पड़ा कि हाँ यार अभी ये भी आदत डालनी पड़ेगी, ये कुछ अलग है?
हाँ, मतलब मुझे सुनने की आदत डालनी पड़ी थोड़ी सी.
सुनने
पर
की,
मैं
हाँ,
यूजुअली
issues
मैं
है.
किसी की कहानी सुन रही होती तो मैं बीच में इंटरप्ट करके ऐसे होती कि ओह बट मेरे साथ तो ऐसा हुआ, तो वो मुझे कम करना पड़ा.
बट वो लोगों को जानना है क्योंकि that's why you are where you are and everybody loves you because of that. लोगों को आप जो इंटरप्ट करके बोलते हो, लोगों को वो ही सुनना है.
नहीं, पर आप किसी को अपने शो पे बुला के ये नहीं बोल सकते ना कि तू चुप रहे, मैं बताती हूँ कि मेरी जिंदगी में कैसे मैंने ज्यादा मजा किया है. तो वो मुझे बस थोड़ा सा
अगर एक विश लिस्ट हो कि ये 5-7 लोग मुझे चाहिए मेरे शो पे जो अभी तक नहीं आए हैं, कौन हो गया आपके विश लिस्ट में?
I would love to have Ranveer Kapoor for personal reasons.
What is
I
that
love
person?
Ranveer Kapoor.
Right.
I just want to see Ranveer Kapoor.
Okay.
I want to be in close proximity to Ranveer Kapoor. I want to know what Ranveer Kapoor smells like, feels like. I'm so sorry, Alia. But I just want Ranveer Kapoor.
Okay.
And I would love to have Aryan Khan and just like discuss Bads of Bollywood with him.
Okay.
I love Aryan Khan because I feel like we have common interests. So Aryan Khan. And then I would love to have Honey Singh. I grew up like obsessed with Honey Singh. My phone wallpaper was Honey Singh. I really thought that I will marry Honey Singh. I used to find Honey Singh so hot. And
Okay.
so like just for that sole purpose, I would love to have Honey Singh.
Wow.
Yeah. And then I would also love to have Seedhe Maut, because I don't listen to Desi hip hop, and the entire Desi hip hop community just roasts me all the time. So I want them to not roast me, and so I would love to have Seedhe Maut.
Right. All the guests that you named, little bit about them. कौन सी फिल्म रणबीर कपूर के you think कि मैं बार बार ये देख सकती हूँ?
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, hands down. I used to, like when I was growing up, I thought that I was Naina. But then I grew up and I realized that I'm Bunny. And मैं जब बचपन में मैं बनी को इतनी गाली देती थी कि उसने नैना को कैसे छोड़ दिया, ये वो अपने सपनों के लिए, and now I am that person.
You are Bunny.
So I get it. So I love Bunny.
Right. Yo-Yo Honey Singh has a lot of fans, but I never thought that. Where did this come from? Where did your craze for Yo-Yo Honey Singh?
I grew up listening to Brown Rang and Blue Eyes, and Honey Singh was like the rage like at our time.
Right. Another, आपको ये लोग पसंद है जो सोशल मीडिया पे है ही नहीं. आर्यन खान है अब सोशल मीडिया पे, but again काफी reclusive पता चलता है. क्या, what is it that you like about these men who are just keeping by themselves?
I think in general posting on social media should be for women.
अच्छा.
I don't like men who post.
हम करें ही नहीं.
I love when women post. My entire feed is just like hot women, beautiful women, women on vacation, women with women. I love when women do social media. And you know, when a man doesn't post, it's like so attractive. Like, why do you need to post? Like, why do your shirtless pictures need to be on the internet? That's what I think. So,
but अगर रणबीर आर्यन पोस्ट करे तो ठीक है.
But वो भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. So like it's a little bit hotter for sure. Yeah.
Right. You know, tell me about a day on the set. What is it like? You know, because ये दिखता तो लोग तो खाली शो देखेंगे. What all goes into this, making this, spice it up?
यार तो पहले तो मुझे सुबह उठना पड़ गया. मुझे सुबह उठना बहुत ज़्यादा खराब लगता है.
कब उठते हो आप?
मैं उठती हूँ दोपहर के 2 बजे. Peak unemployment. मुझे सुबह 8 बजे उठना पड़ता था. We used to shoot like 2 episodes a day.
Oh wow.
So that was like 10 pani puri each.
Okay.
So 20 pani puris, and then sometimes you know बीच में कभी-कभी शॉट नहीं आता था आपका पानी पूरी खाने का, तो फिर वो आपको बाद में अलग से शूट कराते थे. तो दिन की 25 30 पानी पूरी खाती थी. Then they used to give me Eno and Digest, all of that, because Digene and all of that, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एसिडिटी हो जाती थी इतने तीखे गोलगप्पे खा के. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरा स्पाइस टॉलरेंस बहुत अच्छा है, मैं तो कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ, मैं तो दिल्ली से हूँ, ये वो. मेरा स्पाइस टॉलरेंस बहुत खराब है. मुझे इस शो में पता चला. लाइक आफ्टर लाइक level 3 or 4 I was just out of it.
Oh my
मेरा
God,
सर फटता
yeah.
था, मुझे चक्कर आने लग जाते थे. But it was really fun. I love गोलगप्पे.
You okay? चलो, at least
I'm obsessed with golgappe. Like I can have golgappe every day of my life,
Wow.
but not Bees golgappe.
Not Bees golgappe.
Yeah.
Right. So you wake up at 2:00. You said, have you ever woken up early? Like, have you what?
I
like,
woke up early
for
today.
the show.
Yeah,
apart
and
from
also today.
and also today.
Yeah.
हाँ. Apart from that, life में कभी ऐसा phase आया कि यार मैं जल्दी उठ के वो मॉर्निंग थिंग्स करूंगी जो काफी दुनिया कर रही है?
मुझे ऐसा कोई शौक ही नहीं है. मुझे मेरी हेल्थ भी ठीक नहीं करनी. मुझे कुछ खास मोटिवेशन भी नहीं है अपने करियर के लिए. मैं दोपहर को 2 बजे उठती हूँ, 1-2 घंटा काम करती हूँ, फिर चिल करती हूँ.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
थैंक यू.
राइट. यू नो, कुछ और मोमेंट सेट पे जो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं? एक आंसर निकालना सेलिब्रिटी से इजी नहीं होता है. अगर आप वो पॉइंट पे पहुंच जाती है कि यार ये आंसर दे ही नहीं रहा है मुझे, या वो स्पाइसी आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, व्हाट इज योर गो टू ट्रिक?
माय गो टू ट्रिक इज टू टेल अ स्टोरी अबाउट माई सेल्फ. इफ यू लाइक, अगर आप सामने वाले को ऐसा दिखा दो दैट यू आर वनरेबल और आप अपनी बातें उनको बता दो, देन दे आल्सो फील लाइक दे हैव दिस कनेक्शन विद यू वेयर दे कैन शेयर थिंग्स विद यू. एंड सो इट जस्ट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स इफ यू आर way more open.
Right.
Like if a host is really reserved and just asking questions, then people find it difficult to find answers. But if it's a conversation between two friends, then people just find it easier to have a conversation.
Fair enough. किसके लिए है ये शो? ये शो अपूर्वा के फैंस के लिए, या कोई भी anyone who likes Bollywood and talk shows? You think it gives that what a Coffee
I
with
think the
Karan
show
gives?
is for everybody because the guests are really fun. I am obviously
funnest. Yeah.
It's on Jio Hotstar Sparks, so it's readily available.
Okay.
And anybody can watch it. So I feel like the show is for everybody.
तो आप बता रहे थे कौन कौन गेस्ट हैं आपके शो में? ये ऑब्वियसली सब जानना चाहेंगे. वो सबसे बड़ा अट्रैक्शन होता है हमेशा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द होस्ट.
Yeah. So we have Elnaz, who I met on Traitors.
Oh, nice.
She gave me a lot of trust issues, but I love that woman. She's too smart. She's too pretty. She's like, she's one of the nicest people I know.
Oh, nice.
So we have Elnaz. We have Nushrat, who is a blast to
Okay.
talk to. Like my funnest episode has been with Nusrat.
Wow.
She's so open, she's so bubbly, she's so fun, she has so many fun stories like you would not expect it out of Nusrat. Then we have Avinash, we have Kusha, who I've known for like years. They've all like grown up watching Kusha on iDiva and YouTube. So that was like great to have Kusha on the show. And then we have Moni, which of course like all of us watched Nagin as kids.
Yeah.
And so yeah, it's just like it's an incredible guest list. These are the people that I've like seen all throughout my life and really looked up to. And yeah, it was really fun shooting with them.
Right, you said, say Nusrat was your favorite episode. What kind of a discussion is this? Kali idea bataiye, or not your question and answer, but what are you all discussing here?
We're discussing everything from sex life to love life to career, money, fame, scandals, all of that. Yeah.
Scandals also?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Little bit, but like no names taken because of legal reasons. We learn our lessons.
Right.
Yeah.
अभी इसके बाद step होती है, चलो आप, you're extremely famous, your social media is sorted, now you have a talk show. Is this all getting planned? Is this planned? Can you plan it? कि next क्या होगा इसके बाद?
सर मैं अपना मील भी प्लान नहीं कर पाती, मैं कुछ भी प्लान नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये सब बस मेरे साथ हो जा रहा है. And I'm just here for the ride. It's fun.
Right. Well, at the end of the day, what does your dad, your mom, what do they tell you when they see a Spice It Up hoarding they will see at some point with you on it? It's a massive achievement. It's a
होर्डिंग तो दे ही नहीं रहे हैं हमें.
दे देंगे. I hope ये इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं.
होर्डिंग लगा हुआ है, यहीं बैठी है ना जियो की टीम. हाँ,
हम लेके लगा देंगे.
होर्डिंग नहीं दे रहे हैं, but they feel like really great. They like my dad doesn't really say much, but I know that he's really proud of me. And my dad is sort of this person जो like पैसे खर्च करने से पहले बहुत बार सोचते हैं. तो बचपन में they were like नहीं पैसे नहीं खर्च करने चाहिए, सोचना चाहिए. And now whenever I tell him कि मेरा इतनी महंगी गाड़ी लेने का मन है या मेरा यहाँ जाने का मन है, he's always like, you are making so much money, you deserve this, live your life, I'm proud of you. So like when it comes to conversations like that, then he's expressive. But ऐसे he'll never say, he'll always be like, God bless you,
so sweet, yeah.
Thank God today and stuff like that. So I know that they're proud.
Right. Are you the one who spends money a lot on yourself or on friends, on them?
I spend on my mom a lot.
Okay.
My brother like a little bit, whatever he needs he gets. My dad, if I buy him something expensive, he panics. Like he's like, ये क्या हो गया? ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए. क्यों ले आएगी? ये तो मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है. तो मैंने बंद कर दिया है. तो समझ आ गया that it's not making him happy. So I don't do it
Stressing
anymore.
him.
Yeah. And then here and there, like if I'm going out with my friends, I'll be like, I'll pay for drinks, lunch. So like, I like spending like that where I don't want people around me to be concerned about money. Like if I have money, then I would rather have like all my friends have good things.
Right.
But I also spend a lot on myself. Basically, I spend a lot.
क्या लोगे? Like अगर आज आपका free day हो जाए, इसके बाद shopping जाना है, what are the first few stores that you'll go into?
Yeah, I actually don't shop offline.
Okay.
मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाती है offline shopping.
क्यों लेकिन? You don't like going in stores or?
मतलब अब अगर मुझे एक ब्लैक टॉप ढूंढना है तो मुझे सारे आइल्स में जाके ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि मुझे एक ब्लैक टॉप मिल जाए, फिर मैं उसको अपना साइज ढूंढूंगी, फिर मुझे एक इंसान से बात करनी पड़ेगी कि मैम आप इसे मेरा साइज ढूंढ दो. Just obviously like they are not getting paid enough, तो उनका मूड खराब है, they don't want to help you at all. You can see that they don't want to help you. Then you have to wait for them, then they check the stock room only to tell you कि यहाँ तो size दिखा रहे पर नहीं है हमारे पास. And so that entire process of then going into the trial room, changing, then finding out it's not नहीं हो पा रहा मेरे से. मुझे चाहिए कि मेरे पास 30 दिन का रिटर्न विंडो हो, जब मेरा मन करे मैं घर पे चेक करूँ ये सब सामान, डिस्काउंट मिले ऑनलाइन. तो I only shop online. I love spending on makeup. I love spending on cheap clothes. Like if I have to go shopping, I love going to Hill Road.
Okay.
मुझे ये सब.
When was the last time you went to Hill Road to shop?
1 month ago.
Wow.
I was leaving for a trip to Bali, so I went to like get my jewelry.
Wow.
So my jewelry is always Hill Road. If I'm outside India, I love buying fakes. I have a fake bag for everything. I have a fake diesel jacket that says DSL. I still wear it because मैं पागल नहीं हूँ. मेरे को 3 लाख रुपए का बैग नहीं लेना है. मुझे वो बैग सुंदर लग रहा है तो मैं उसे 2000 में लेके खत्म कर सकती हूँ. So I love buying fakes.
आपने कहा कि आप 30 डे रिटर्न विंडो होना चाहिए. आप जितनी शॉपिंग करती है, कितना 10 में से कितना आप रिटर्न करते होंगे?
1.
एक, that's not bad at all.
Like, I know exactly what my sizing on every specific website is. I
Okay.
can just look at an article and tell by like just looking at it कि ये कैसी fitting आएगी. Should I size up? Should I size down? I know which colors look nice on me. So like my shopping intel is insane.
Wow.
If I order something, I know it will fit me.
Wow. See, you're becoming famous. You're obviously getting richer. Will you continue to buy fakes because of the kicks of it, or because you can afford a jacket, you can afford whatever you want?
But that's not how I want to spend my 3 lakh rupees
Okay.
on a bag.
हाँ.
और वो जो चाइना में ही बन रहा है.
हाँ. बराबर.
Yeah, तो like मुझे मेरा money dial वो नहीं है. My money dial is like buying experiences,
Yeah.
traveling, spending on things that will make me like happy. मुझे पता है मैं बैग आज लाऊंगी, मैं 2 दिन देखूंगी, मुझे खुशी होगी, but then at one point I'll be like, great.
Right. No, that's great. So travel wise, beach, mountains, forest, beach person.
I love beaches. Like I have this is my first ever tattoo. It has like a wave and everything. I love the beach. I'm an ocean baby. But I've recently like started liking mountains. I went to Switzerland and French Alps and it was really beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Lastly, before we go, I also want to know that चलो अभी आपके पास show भी आ गया. Apurva, what next? You know, you see you in movies. There's so much still to do. What would you like?
I would like to retire. Yeah.
Why?
मैं काम करने के लिए बनी ही नहीं थी सर.
हाँ.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं कोई काम ना करूँ और मेरे पास पैसा आता रहे.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है ना?
वही. मैंने बहुत सोचा कि मुझे हाउसवाइफ बन जाना चाहिए. पर मुझे पता है कि अगर मेरे पति ने मुझसे एक बार भी पूछ लिया कि ये खर्चा तुमने कहाँ किया है, तो तलाक हो जाएगा हमारा. तो मैं वो भी नहीं कर सकती. तो मैं बस अब वही फिगर कर रही हूँ कि मैं ऐसा क्या स्कैम करूँ कि मुझे पैसे के लिए काम ना करना पड़े.
बट बहुत अच्छा प्लान है. बहुत अच्छा प्लान है. आई होप हो जाए ये सब. लेकिन कमिंग बैक टू एक्टिंग, कुछ शौक है, कुछ ये नेक्स्ट लेवल फेम है ना?
सर मुझे समझ आया है कि पापा सही कहते थे, बॉलीवुड बहुत मुश्किल है और मुझे मुश्किल चीजें पसंद नहीं है. आई एम नॉट अ हार्ड वर्कर.
क्या है मुश्किल? you'll get a meeting with whoever you want. You have a great agency. You have all the managers in the world to take you.
मुझे मेन कैरेक्टर की बेस्ट फ्रेंड का रोल नहीं करना है.
ओके. मेन कैरेक्टर करना है. मुझे
नहीं करना है. मतलब it's just the industry is too competitive. It requires too much hard work. You have to shoot for 14 hours. There's no Saturday, there's no Sunday, there's no public holiday. When I was shooting for Nadania, we were shooting on the day of Holi, and I was looking at like other people play Holi, and I couldn't play Holi. I was like, क्या फायदा एक्टर बन के अगर मैं होली नहीं खेल सकती हूँ तो.
बराबर है.
तो मैंने उसी दिन ही सोच लिया था कि अगर ये होने वाला है कि मैं होली नहीं खेल पाऊंगी तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड फिर सुबह 8 बजे उठना पड़ता है. Then you have to keep saying the same line over and over and over and over and over again till like you get the perfect shot. And I'm just not that person.
You're not that person. That's fair. That's what we figured. But now, because of all this, you have a newfound respect for actors who've done it for years.
I like it is not as glamorous as it looks. Like sure, पहली बात तो all of these like red carpets and all also, I hate it. I hate paying a stylist money. I hate trying clothes. I hate being on the carpet. I hate posing. I get so awkward. So मुझे realize हुआ that all of these things that I dreamt of are not that fun, you know. Like ये भाड़े के कपड़े पहनना, भाड़े की jewelry के साथ it's hectic. तो I have realized कि it was fun for like 2-3 years, but अब मुझे
जो भी रेड कार्पेट पे हमने आपको देखा, आप तो काफी अच्छे मजा कर रहे थे. You know, you were getting pictures clicked. You were having fun.
मतलब वो पूरा प्रोसेस कि आप एक हफ्ते पहले से सब ब्रांड से पूछो कि भाई प्लीज मुझे फ्री में कपड़े दे दो. अब मेरे को 6 इवेंट पे जाना पड़ता है, 1 महीने में मैं कपड़े नहीं खरीद सकती. फिर वो कपड़े ट्राई करो, फिर उसको ऑल्टर कराओ, फिर उसका मैचिंग ज्वेलरी पहनो, फिर गाली खाओ कि ये क्या पहन लिया. It's too much hard work.
Yeah, जिस तरह से आप बोल रहे हो मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. I think so.
हाँ है.
Right. Okay. तो आपने फिर भी आंसर नहीं दिया. एक्टिंग आपका ड्रीम नहीं है.
So I used to do a lot of theater in college. I always dreamt of being an actor. I love theater. Like I would love to go back to theater. कि मैं 1-2 महीना प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ एक ही प्ले की and then I do a stage play and मुझे उससे कुछ पैसा ना मिले. Great. I'm okay doing that. But being in the film industry is just too like it's too tough, it's too draining, and it's really tough to make it as an outsider, यार. And like मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चों के पास nepotism हो, पर वो बॉलीवुड में नहीं हो पाएगा. Like I am so sorry. If you want to struggle, you'll have to struggle, babe.
राइट. इसमें कितनी एक्टिंग करनी पड़ती है कि
नहीं,
दिस
नहीं,
इज
कुछ भी
जस्ट यू?
acting नहीं करनी
कोई
पड़ती
एक्टिंग
है.
नहीं करनी पड़ेगी.
Yeah.
दिस इज जस्ट यू.
Yeah.
Great, that's what we love. We just want to see you as you. And जो सब आपने बोला, I really hope ये सब आप अचीव कर लो.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was so lovely speaking to you.
कोई भी कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं थी, कुछ कैंसिल लायक
Yes,
नहीं था.
thank you so much. Thank you. Nothing was problematic. Hi, I'm Apurva and you are watching this interview on Bollywood Hungama.